Faridabad has made to the list of smart city. Will this turn around the city's fortune? Will the smart city tag have any impact on city's otherwise down and out real estate market? Onitam Oja finds out.
Faridabad, once a bustling industrial centre of Haryana, is now better known as Gurgaon's poor cousin. With the rise of Gurgaon, Faridabad almost faded away into near oblivion. But as Gurgaon struggled with its civic chaos, Faridabad quietly stole the show and made it to the list of smart cities. The Municipal Corporation of Faridabad now plans to spend at least 2,600 crore rupees to make the city smart.
First, be working on revival of the Badkhal Lake. It is a major project, and we will be reviving this water body through the treated water generated from the sewage treatment plants to be installed in different parts of the city, mainly in residential areas. Then we will also focus on smart urbanism, which will involve a SCADA system, a smart metering, a net flow metering of the water supply. And then also we will install at least 10% of the power generation in this area will come from solar power.
इंडस्ट्रियल पार्ट सेक्टर 20 का है, वो हमने लिया है. सेक्टर 20A है जो इंस्टीट्यूशनल सेक्टर है, उसको हमने प्रपोजल में लिया है. उसके साथ रेलवे स्टेशन और मेट्रो स्टेशन है. उसके आसपास देखें तो सनत नगर एक स्लम एरिया है, वहाँ हमने डेवलपमेंट ली है. रेलवे स्टेशन का हमने डेवलपमेंट कर लिया है, मेट्रो स्टेशन का हमने डेवलपमेंट कर लिया है. उसके बीच में हमने मल्टी मॉडल कम्प्लेक्स भी प्रपोजल लिया है, और साथ साथ ही नेशनल हाईवे और TOD ट्रांजिट ओरिएंटेड डेवलपमेंट एक स्कीम है जो कि मेट्रो कॉरिडोर के साथ साथ हम कर सकते हैं, तो वो हमने प्रपोजल में लिया है.
These plans and the fact that Faridabad has made it to the smart city list has left its residents all happy and smiling.
बस स्टॉप बनेंगे, वो डिजिटल बनेंगे, और आपको जो है वो पता लगता रहेगा बस किस जगह पर है और कितने टाइम पे आएगी, क्योंकि GPS सिस्टम का पूरा फ़ायदा उठाएंगे. तो इस तरीके से काफ़ी चीज़ें उन्होंने आज बताई और मेरे को बड़ी खुशी हुई. मेरे को भी कुछ पता चला व्हाट इज स्मार्ट सिटी, व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ इट स्मार्ट सिटी.
So far so good, but the municipal commissioner who has to implement this entire plan is definitely feeling the heat and the pressure.
We are expecting at least 980 crores rupees to flow from the funds as grants. This will include funds from the central government, which is around 490 crores, and a matching grant from the state government. The rest of the funds have to be generated by the municipal body on its own.
The smart city tag might be a big positive for the city, but will this change the fate of its fledgling real estate market? Maybe not.
They have the largest metro stretch which any of the sub-cities of Delhi NCR which has got. So that's the first step. But there is I would say, long way to go. There is no good mall also in that city. Everybody for shopping, they come either to South Delhi, they go to Noida, or they go to Gurgaon. So that has to change.
Regardless of its proximity to Delhi, Noida and Gurgaon, it's fairly decent connectivity now with the functional metro line between Delhi and Gurgaon and affordable housing prices. The property market of Faridabad has not been able to play catch with Gurgaon or Noida. It looks like it's going to take more than a smart city tag for the market to turn around. In Faridabad, Onitam Oja, NDTV.